fellas. God, ayy, that be my right hand. And when we lost Luke, I promise we stayed tight, fam. Just like a real fam. KO say you real, man. Loving every city, I swear you don't want beef, man.
Just eat around the DB boxer.
More people on the team.
Show me the plan of what made you gang.
That's his three.
Then I let you hang. Show me the plan of what made you gang.
Marvin! Your cardiovascular is gonna grow immensely after this game, Henry.
When they shoot me, they'll hit my nipple.
Fuck it now. That's a saucy one. I kept on getting shot in my nipple last game. Yeah. Marvin! Marvin! Oh shit, you dropped Marvin! Guys! Marvin! 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 Marvin's already dead. Marvin's already dead.
He's already dead!
See if we can try and make it in there with 2 halves. Fuck it. It's a one-handed shoot and no accuracy.
Zoning, I'm flexing, I'm focused on destiny. I love it how you love it. Ayy, zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny. I love it how you. Zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny. Real talk, I love it how you. Zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny. Real talk, I love it how you. Ayy, how you arching your back, I fell a relax. Back to facts, I gave up the track. I love it how your man just move with things that we do. Meditate, we burn in the you really wanna, you ain't got many mistakes. They just
What, Marvin here and Marvin there?
They just undercover. I'm out here cause of faith B. Finding my inner self lately. It's been
oh, fucking hell. You got him, let him out. Got him. Ellis, what's the right hand side, Ellis?
Zoning and flexing, focus on destiny, real talk, I love it how you. Zoning and flexing, focus on destiny, real talk, I love it how you. Out and chilled out that zone. Won't give you wood, but I keep it on dome. you were bad as you step in. Roll up a beat, then it's back to progression. Roll up a beat, then it's back to progression. Tipping the toes, you were bad as you step in.
It's just the initial.
No, it's the shock of it still.
Relax, how you giving me chat? I ain't
I literally was like here and it just fucking caked you.
Play a game of the watermelon, and then you're going to eat the watermelon after.
Big up to the sacrifice.
Man said big up to the sacrifice, Marv. Yeah, man, 2-8 is.
We're all just going to empty our mouths.
Wait.
Everyone wants a bite.
Marv, you don't want to fucking give up none for me.
Go!
I'm just gonna flip him.
Wait, back up. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Record it, wait. I'm coming. Everybody, run.
Oh, put it in that one.
I'm on the second. Stick it in real good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Come on. Oh, Andy. Smoking. Wait, you know what?
No.
Flip it on it.
Yeah, upside down. The last one.
Jeff, cake the fucker.
Oh, what the guy from Predator.
Let's do one now. Can we do one standing up? Can we do one standing group?
Yeah, that was kind of because she originally was so small, so she was meant to kind of like be a sleeper. But yeah, extended up the
Look at it
clip.
and go, oh, what's that? And then you fire it and they're like, whoa.
Oh yeah, literally.
Boys, quick pick.
I had to glue it together. Do you see what broke today though? My charging handle. So yeah, I'm gonna need a new one now. But
Just text me.
yeah, I literally just need the bit that goes over and it should be okay.
Chris, can you not like lie down? Like yeah, like lie down.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Someone needs to be the cheeky senorita. Alright, pal.
Or that may be a serious. One more. Shoot the marshal.
Fantastic, boys.
Cheers, brother.
Anytime.
Cheers.
Man. You know my thing.
The next time when I link you, I'm gonna have something nice for you. Huh?
I definitely want to get myself down playing on the next one. So.
For sure, bro. Private games.
It looks
Yeah?
good today, yeah.
No, defo.
Honestly.
Are you not in the chat?
I'm in the chat, yeah. But gee, honestly, I barely
just time.
got WhatsApp, so it's just
Okay,
like,
fair.
loading.
Fair. Well, just give me a private message when you're ready to play, and I'll just let you know the upcoming date. If you're off the 23rd, bro. 23rd.
23rd, I'm doing a big game.
Okay, fair. I was gonna say we got a Teletubbies game coming up if you're interested.
Okay.
Lots of Airsoft players just
Well,
because
to be honest,
Teletubbies running around shooting the
how
shit.
long you guys are running for? Once I finish work, like after 5, if you man are still here playing, and
You're good? I hear you, bro. I hear it. Oh, busted myself to be fair. But by the time you get to like 25-30 meters, you're getting this wavery thing, and then it finishes this flight. Whereas with the 3-2s, bro, it's just following all the way through. That waver at the end is a bit annoying because it gives the player a chance to be like, you know what I'm saying? Whereas if it's a straight shot, it's like ping your head off, bro. Yeah. So them little, and because it's gas blowback, if it was an electric gun, I would have left it because you could fine tune that out with an electric gun because of the way it hops it, because it's the airflow is different basically. One's like a smooth airflow, and then with gas blowback it kind of slams the air through it. So yeah, so a bit more fine tuning, but I've almost got this one finished.
no, that's fair enough. Though.
You know, airsoft or paintball and fine tuning, getting shit how you want it.
Always, you know, silent error every single time.
Literally. Got my M4 working lovely though. That thing did bits this morning. You see what I'm saying? Like after that 10-meter radius, so yeah, we still have to go up a bit. It can run it. I'll zero it out at mine. Cheers again for today, my bro, yeah? Yeah? Alright, no worries, my G. The pressure's so high today, but it's because of the temperature. Trust me.
Fucking beef.
And that is another day with OneOwe, boys, guys. Man, like picture now. Love my broski. Oh, he actually grabbed my juice as well. Cheers, bro. Thank you. Yes, sir.
There's a toilet up there, bro.
Is there? Yeah, trust me. I had to fucking got a bit techie on the field. I had to be shooting and shit. Man, listen. Imagine fucking hell, that's not a situation you'd want to walk into, bro.
Have you heard the sniper teams when they say like one guy's got his eye on the prize and he's like, I've got to take a shit. So his second guy has to literally get the bucket, wait, like lean, do it, wipe it, and then put his shivvies back up. That's what they do.
That is so brazy.
Yeah.
Serious, in the army, yeah.
That's what sniper teams do. When
I fucking didn't even know this.
the sniper's locked in and he's got his second guy, like, that, you know, like he does wind direction.
Yeah.
He has to
Do that.
Yeah, literally wipe his ass while he's in prone.
Ooh, very nice. I'll tickle your balls. Imagine that. You got your eyes on the target and I'm there just tickling your balls. Bro, fuck that though, bro. Imagine. But it's what you have to do in it. You ain't even got a choice.
When you're mid shit, right, yeah, and you need to clench your cheeks to, like, you know, brace yourself, and it just goes all over the way. Nah, bro.
Because you're gonna have to wipe it, bro. This is what I'm trying to say. Sometimes man might have like a diarrhea day or something, bro. Cheers again, my broski.
One of them true moments, nah.
Nah, bro.
Cheer and all of that. We saying part 20. The finale. Imagine, you know, live sessions is done for me. It's crazy. I remember when we recorded part 1, 2, and 3. Remember when we shot the first couple of videos. It's crazy. God is great, eh? Here but I'm gone, guess we rarely speaking. Big Zubber and brown juice, the beat kicks in. Reminisce about old days, the barrel spin. Now I pour out my pain just to see win-win. Pray for them, the next gens, they sin. Go so hard in this thing and have no next of kin. It's so sad in this life, what we do to win. They just lined up a upper, ain't no shape up thing, survival of the fittest. No one showing pity, reporting from a first hand view. I love my city, 12 loco, be circulating. If you slip then they escalating. Watch your team close, yeah they penetrating. More time the ones that phony be hesitating. Forever shaking, you a foe if I ain't mistaken. Stayed so loyal to the cause when my back was breaking. Hand on heart, looked me in my eyes but you was faking. Heart was breaking, I was trying to heal cause I was aching. I tell them chase your dreams, build this music, it's a faith thing.